In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pause your watch history on your YouTube app. So pausing your watch history, what that will do is it will stop YouTube from recording the videos that you do watch on your channel, and those specific videos will not be displayed in your watch history. So to do this, all you simply need to do is head over to your YouTube channel. Once you open up YouTube, you can now head to Library in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Click on Library and then you need to select the History tab. And then you can now click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three dots, you need to select History Controls. And then you'll get these options here. And as you can see around the middle of the page, there is an option now for Pause Watch History. All you simply need to do is toggle this on. You will get this little pop-up box here, and if you are happy with this, what you can do is click on pause. Once you click on pause, what that will mean is that your watch history is now paused on your YouTube channel. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.